Hello everybody and welcome to that new video. Today our goal is to take the values that are inside that little table and transpose them into a single column without using some VBA code and without using some copy and paste trick. I will use only a formula. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to type the formula, and then I will explain how it works. First thing that I want to type is the offset function. We point the first argument of the offset function to the first cell of our dummy data. Then, for the second argument, we use the int function. We type another parenthesis, and we type a combination of the row minus row function. We point the argument of the second row function also to the first cell of our data. We close the parenthesis, we close the second parenthesis, we divide everything by 4, and we close the parenthesis of the int function. For the third argument of the offset function, we use the mod function. Now let me copy the row minus row combination because I will use it also inside the mod function. We paste the row minus row combination, and for the second argument of the mod function we use also the number 4, and we close all the parentheses. We copy and paste only the formulas, and our task has been accomplished. To understand how that formula here works, let me show you. I have dissected the formula in its components. Here we have the function that I have used inside the formula, and here we have every single component of the formula. The first component is of course the row minus row combination. It gives back a progression of numbers that start from 0 and end to 11. Then for the first argument of the offset function, we take the result of the row minus row combination and we use it inside the integer function. We divide that number here by 4, which is a key number. In fact, is the number of the column that the number of column of our dummy data. We divide that number here by 4. For the third argument of the offset function, we use the mod function. We also take the number given back by the row minus row combination, and we divide that number by 4. The math behind those two functions here is elementary. The integer function returns back the integer part of the division. The mod function does the opposite. It gives back the remainder of the division. You can see the pattern that those functions are returning. We pass those results inside the offset function, and we tell to the offset function how many rows and columns it has to move. and in that way the offset function is able to transpose the data contained in our table into a single column with the use of a formula, with just a formula. Okay, maybe the mechanism of that formula is not so simple to understand, but it's not very difficult. Just take your time to study, to carefully study how the various components of the formula behave, and then you will see that everything will become clear. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video has been useful for you, and I hope to see you in the next video.